Hi earners, Timebucks is genuine and nice earning site. Today I will show you how to do surveys on Timebucks. The first main thing is to do survey means you have to qualify for that particular survey. To qualify for a survey, you need to have a good profile. I will explain it in detail. First, on your residence. First one is your residence. It should be in metro cities because most of the services are offered in metro cities like Swiggy, Ola, and topmost restaurants like Domino, Pizza Hut are located in metro cities. If they want opinion of the customer, then they only need people who are residing in particular city or station. The second one, your annual gross salary should be more, and you are the one who had most responsibility of spending the money. That is, you are the decision maker for purchasing products and services. And the third one is the country you are residing. Multinational companies like Amazon, Tesla, Kia Motors, etc. operate only in developed and developing countries, so they need the opinion of the customers regarding their products and only in the countries where they are doing business. Your the fourth point, your social class should be high. That is, you should have main consumer durable items like refrigerator, washing machines, dishwasher, AC, motorbike, car, etc. I had already stated at point number 2, you should have more gross annual income. That means you will have almost all items stated above. Then you will be qualified for service regarding purchase of AC machines, cars, etc. And your education qualification, if you have higher educational qualification, it will be best. Now let us divide the survey providers into two categories. It is important, please note that some points. The surveys are can be broadly classified into two. One, the survey providers who pays you the disqualification credits, and the survey providers who don't pay for disqualifications. Now let us go to the survey tab in the Timebucks site. Go to dashboard and click on earn, and you will see the options in that one. Just click on service. Here you will see plenty of survey providers are there. Theorem Reach, Scene Surveys, Opinion Panel, Capital, Opinion Capital, Sample Cube, Survey Time. So plenty of surveys are there. Let us differentiate as explained. Providers who pay disqualification credits. Every survey provider has a profile section. You have to update your profile for every provider. Please update your profile as explained earlier. That is, you should reside in some metropolitan city, that the population is about 10 lakhs or so, like that. If your profile has good profile, then your ability to finish and qualify for the service will be high. So now let us talk about the providers who pays disqualification credits. First, I will explain. The first and best one is the Theorem Reach. This survey provider is the best one for paying disqualification credits. Then we will have, just go down to bottom, the Painland Surveys. This is the second one, and third one is the Peanut Labs. Third one is Peanut Labs, and the fourth one is Revenue Wall, and the other one is Polefish. As there are no surveys in this survey Polefish tab, it is not there in this survey tab. And secondly, the providers who don't pay disqualification credits are Opinion Capital, Opinion Network, Sint Router, Sample Cube, Samplicio, Survey Time, Survey Surfing, Your Surveys, Opinion Surveys, IRAS, Gen Surveys, Uno Router, etc. will don't pay you the disqualification credits. Okay, we go into detail with the survey providers who pays for disqualification. The first and the best one is Theorem Reach. Here we go. Just see, it will be the best survey provider. If you attempt a survey, if you qualify or not, they will provide you a minimum bonus of 1 cent. Presently there are no surveys are available in this, but if your survey attempt length is long, say so 3 to 4 minutes, then you will be definitely getting more bonus cents like 4 or 5, maybe more. This provider sometimes pays big for certain surveys, like a 5-minute survey. It pays 20 cents or more. The surveys which appear as 5 minutes for 30 cents or more, then they will pay high disqualification credits like 10, 11 or more. Now let us see the second survey site, Painland. This one, you are able to see this much of surveys. The survey provider pays you a disqualification amount of $0.005 for almost all surveys, but rarely they won't pay. But remember, your answer should be consistent, otherwise you won't get surveys from this provider as well as bonus cents. If you gave an answer like you are residing at some city for for uh, for a survey, and for other survey you mention other city, you will be cut and don't get paid. Just I will show you, previously I got some disqualification credits from that Painland. Just I am showing you. See, 0.05 cents I have earned for disqualification. 1 2 3 4 5, whatever the surveys you attempt, you will get that much of 0.005 cents. Next, let us go to the Peanut Labs. Presently this survey site is down. Just check this one. But this survey provider also pays you one disqualification credit of 1 cent, but it will pays only sometimes but not most of the time. Just see, just I am showing. First you have to complete the profiler in this Peanut Lab service. You will have some profile section. Sorry, we are down for maintenance, so this site is down today, so I am unable to explain you that profile section. And next, go to revenue wall. This is the revenue wall survey. It will also have profiler section. You have to build your profile. Surveys score history, already I have completed my profile section. While doing surveys, they will ask you some profiler questions. In turn, you have to answer. It pays a disqualification credit of 2 cents, but only if you are randomly selected by the survey provider. Even though it won't pay bonus cents, but is a best survey provider. I will explain it in detail. This survey provider has a score. Just I will show you like this. I have a score of 375 points. Then your chance for completion of survey is more. You have to get more score. That this 375 is less, but if you complete some 100 surveys or 200 surveys, your score will be 1000. For every completed survey you will get 0.5, not 0.5, 5 points for every successful completion. Thereby your score increases and chances for completion of surveys are more. But remember, your answer should be nice and fair and should not be gibberish. If you are caught doing like that, your credit amount reverts and your score will also decrease. Like this one, just I will show. Actually previously I had answered a survey quickly, and for that time being I have created 0.19 amount to my Timebox account. Later they are reversed my this survey by rejecting it one, and I got minus of 0.19 in that one. Okay, if you go and increasing your score, you will get more surveys for lesser amount, lesser, you will get more amount for doing some lesser period of surveys. Just I will show in my history. I got an around $2.5 survey for just 20 minutes or so. So it is so nice. You can see 0.35, 0.32, 0.32, 0.53. The more you have the score, then your ability to finish these surveys and the amount earned by this will be more. See, on some particular 10417841 survey, I had got $2.56 for just 20 minutes of spending. That's why I am mentioning, please be patient and your answer should be genuine and consistent for this provider, so that you will earn more amount in doing this particular revenue wall. I will prefer this one. Okay, then next polefish survey, as I had already said, there are no surveys presently, so this polefish is not available in service tab, but they will pay you a bonus of 0.001 disqualification credit. So this is regarding the survey providers who provide you the disqualification credits for every survey you attempt. In Theorem Reach, you will have some this one what you call help section will be there. If you won't get credited amount, you have the option to raise. Actually, for every survey I had attempted, I am earning this amount, but some this 15 amount is incomplete now. You can submit a request that I had didn't get received my disqualification, and then submit. In turn, they will credit you the amount which doesn't added to your account. Okay, for next section, uh, this again want to tell you something. Polefish Saria, it is a good provider to earn some cents. Now it is not available in the nest, but it pays big, like 1 minute 10 cents, 10 minutes 30 cents, like that it will pays big. For my country, I don't have much surveys or access for the providers like this Opinion Capital and Opinion Network, and your survey router is there. These survey sites doesn't offer much surveys for my country, so much or less. So I will be skipping those ones. The survey sites which pays higher cent are opinion surveys. This way pays point 550, and again this survey time is $0.75. But remember, you have to spend at least 30 minutes time to complete these surveys, and your answer should be consistent. Because why I am telling frequently consistent means, if you give some gibberish answers, they will block you forever, so your ability to earn amount by doing surveys will reduce. Okay, in ads and media, let us go to other survey provider, ads and media. Just ads and media, this router is having three type of other survey routers: research on mobile, opinion world, and iSurvey Go. My personal suggestion is, don't go with iSurveys, because these surveys lengths are more and are complicated. The other two survey routers send you surveys depending on your profile. Firstly, it asks all general information like gender, date of birth, number of children, household income, your designation, and etc. If you disqualify for a particular survey, and it will send you another, it routes again and again. If you qualify and complete the survey, you will get credited, otherwise you won't get credited, and your entire time is wasted by doing this one. Other router is there, you know router is there. Just check this one, you know survey wall. It is varies of various cents, like, just it is asking for robot verification. Okay, just wait for a while, it is loading. Yes, you can see you have the plenty of surveys: 8 cents, 30 cents, 36, 40, 46, 62, 8 cent surveys are there. But my just suggestion is to do surveys only up to 40 cents. Don't go beyond this one, 46, 62, and 62 cents, because these surveys are almost all related to latest technologies like SaaS, web services, etc. For that, we need to have some good technical knowledge to finish these surveys. So don't go in these ones, because your entire time will go waste. Because it survey routes goes, and at last it says you are no surveys available to do right now. Then sometimes this 8 cent surveys also takes 15 minutes to complete, and sometimes 3 minutes to finish it. At last it will give some, okay, at last I will give you some important points to keep in mind while attempting surveys. Okay, for these all survey routers, you keep in mind that all survey routers, The person who works in marketing, public relation, government servants, media, communications, etc. won't qualify for surveys. And some important questions they will ask you, some questions like you are paying attention or not, that they will give, I own a property in Maldives and Dubai. The answer you have to give is no, because other country peoples are not allowed to buy properties in these countries. Then some other questions are like, I am designed logo for Reebok and I am the brand ambassador for Nike. Your answer should be a big no. And sometimes they will ask you like this, do you participated in any marketing survey in last month or 1 month? The answer should be no, because if you have already participated in marketing survey in the last month, then there is no need to take your opinions into count. So some these things, some other questions will be like this: animal shown in the video and sound you hear. Generally they will show you a video of a lion, but the sound you will hear is of a cock. So like that there will be a different, if you pay attention only you will able to answer those questions, otherwise you will be disqualified from that survey. Then other thing, the following which does not have wheels, generally the answer should be there will be elephant, some other options will be there like car, some cooler, some etc will be there, but elephant won't doesn't have wheels. And again some types of mathematical questions they will ask, what is 2 plus 2, you have to answer 4. Other options will be there 6, 8, 10 etc will be there. If you opt for those things you will be get disqualified. Okay, like that you have to do surveys. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.